What's up everybody, my name is Jack and you're watching Random Panda Resellers. Today's video, we're heading out to a couple of Goodwills to see what we can find, so stay tuned and I'll see you all there. Alright, we're at the Goodwill. Just found a really cool looking Bible. You see, this is the King James version and has a really cool wood design. They say this is supposedly olive wood on it. I found several similar ones here. Oops. Here's one for $40. It's got 9 watchers on it. Same style, the red. It's got a little bit of a different text on it, but super cool. So yeah, and it's only $3, so I might do a little bit more information on it. This one might be even a little bit older. As you see, it's in a little bit rougher shape, but for $3, it's a really cool find. Looks like somebody had it for $50 at one point. Just never know with old Bibles, they can be worth quite a bit of money, so not too bad. I'll have to try to see if I can find a maker's mark on it, or you know, a copyright or something, so we'll see. Alright, just went through the men's button-ups, found a couple things. Found a really nice Lululemon. This is the Dry Sense quarter zip. Dry Sense sells great. This is probably $30 to $40 shirt, probably maybe more than that. $6.79. And then I found a nice Flint and Tinder. You can see that logo there. Men's hoodie. These were going for like 40 to 60, something crazy like that, and over 100% sell-through rate. $7.79. Hopefully it sells pretty quickly. Obviously it's coming in the summer, so it might slow down a little, but if not, might be a quick sale, so not too bad. We're in the men's shorts and then polos, see what we find there. Just found kind of a cool, possibly vintage, might even tell me how old this is, Columbia PFG. It says made in Israel. It's $40 at the Academy. It's $5.29. I wonder if it does say how old this is. Oh, doesn't really matter. Easy $25 being brand new. It's big size. Got a couple little marks, looks like, but probably just because of it's old. Still though, not bad. Definitely get that. Also found some Lululemon. These are probably the short. Just a funky coloration on them. $5.29, should be $20, $25. Alright, just found a new brand. Never heard of before. It is a brand called the Unbranded Brand. As you can see from this tag, it is salvaged. I ended up checking too. The way you tell is by the design of this stitching. As you can see here, it will kind of look like this. So an exact comp for this for $50. So has about a 50-ish% sell-through rate. So $9.69, not too bad, and looks like it's been barely worn too. So pretty nice stuff. All right, just went through a rack. Found a really cool looking jacket. As you can see here, very cool Aztec, kind of a button-up coat. It's called Rhonda Stark, made in USA, vintage. Sold comps were going for like 50 or $60 for this. It's only $8.29, so probably try that out. Also ended up finding some brand new Ralph Lauren golf women's shorts for $5.29, easy, probably 30, 40 bucks. Right time of year as well, since it's coming in the spring. Should sell super quickly, so we're gonna head out to our next thrift store, see what else we find there. All right, we're at the Broadway Goodwill, and looks like a water main ended up breaking down or something. You can kind of see that. All that is water coming out of, like, looks like a water main. It's still open though, I'm seeing people go in and out of it, so we'll have to go through that and then see what we can find. Another weird, interesting thing, never know. Yeah, holy cow. That's crazy. I gotta go through it now. Looky here, these were just like right here. Silently Fisher, it's tiny, but it's $3. Yellow tags are half off, you can see right there. It's a cool LA Miles. Oh, that's cool looking. They have it as sleepwear, so it's only $5. Wow, that is wild. Definitely gonna get both of those. Must have been in these short sleeve tops. I don't normally go through these, but Might eventually. We're gonna check that rack here and see if there's anything real quick. All right, just found something really cool, pretty interesting in the men's blazers. Found a vintage World War II coat, as you can see here, from J. Citrano and Sons. There's an actual date on here. It says the June 27th, 1944. As you can see here, it's a wool jacket. They're asking $11.99. Comps are going for about 40 or 50 for these, so you may or may not get it. It has no, no patches or anything, which that is usually what makes it more valuable, but still kind of cool. It's in really good shape too. It's got a little bit of staining. May have seen combat for all I know. Man, that's cool. Some interesting buttons. I don't know, let me know. What do y'all think? Should I get it or not? I mind if I find more stuff, so see. All right, just went through a couple, one or two racks, I think. Found a couple new things never heard of. First up is this brand called Eileen West. It's like a women's nightgown type brand. Brand new. Pleasant Dreams, I guess. Originally 70. Seeing comps for probably 40, 50 bucks new, so. And it's only $5. Pretty great deal for that. This is a decent brand called April Cornell. It's a women's dress. These go for like 40 or 50, so perfect time of year. It's a nice size too. $10 into possibly that. And I found, of course, some Alley Miles. Very cool top, extra large as well, so should sell super quickly. Well, just found an amazing brand to look for. Some Burberry Brit. As you see here, it's really nice. It has their iconic coloration here. $6.29. It's got the inside label here as well. It's super nice. I'll have to try to find the exact comp. I would guess at least 40, 50, probably more than that. Some of them can go for crazy money. And that's nice. Awesome stuff. Not too bad. All right, just went through a rack. Found some Lululemon shorts. You see they're in excellent shape. Still have the tag inside. $5. Easy 20, 25. Not as good as they used to be, but now that it's spring, should sell pretty quickly, so not too bad. It's excellent stuff. Gonna head home and probably, yeah, head home. All right, you guys, found a ton of amazing inventory today. That World War II coat was probably one of the coolest items, or that belt buckle, which is crazy. That's worth supposedly $100, so pretty insane. If you don't know, it is still running over there. There's still tons of water. Try not to get those guys in there. Going, I don't know, it's been running for hours. They said it's been going on since this morning. Pretty crazy stuff. So if y'all like this video, definitely hit that like button, and if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks.